If I had 8 hours to chop down a tree, I'd spend 6 sharpening my axe. And it's time for you to sharpen your axe. And that axe is you. 10 minutes a day of meditation. And let me warn you, for the first 10 days, you will not notice a single difference. Then, roughly around 10 or 14 days in, you'll notice something funny starts to happen. You'll start to be more cognizant of your thoughts. You'll start to notice your monkey brain. You'll start to notice those times where you feel pain, you feel doubt, you feel uncertainty, you feel like maybe you can't accomplish the things that you want to do. Every time I put something out on my socials to hire a new position, I get maybe anywhere from 500 to 1,000 applicants. It depends on sort of how niche the position is. We hired 17 people in the last month. I get 20,000 applications a month to work at one of my companies. We don't check CVs and we don't ask for CVs ever. We go through our own very stringent multi-step process to vet for not only their abilities, that they can actually do what they say they can do, but also culture fit. Part of that culture fit, we've asked some very unique questions. We've asked people if they cheat on their girlfriends or their wives. We've asked people have they been to a strip club. We just want to see whether they're honest.